guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR, very popular stock right now. The market is squeezing, guys, and Palantir is also ripping. I said already here a week ago that I expect here $63 next, not 36, $63 next. I hope you can see that here in my thumbnail. That upload was here at the 5th of November. Today is the 12th, guys, and I want to do with you a recap if I was right with my prediction or not. Everything what I say here in this video is of course not financial advice. I just give you my prediction here based on the chart. Yes, so guys, since then, yeah, a lot of things happened here. We created a new all-time high for Palantir, and as I said, I want to check with you if my price target got already hit here, $63.49 to be clear, and let's use here TradingView to simulate where we are today and what happened since then. So, boom, kamikaze, sayonara bansai, we ripped here up, guys. Here's a huge gap up in the chart. So you can see, not yet, guys. We are not yet there. $63.49 is my price goal here for Palantir. And of course, we could see here much higher price targets incoming. But for the next level here, based on the calculation I did, based on the previous squeeze, I suggest here that the price will at least hit $63.49. We have a very nice technical reaction here at the previous Fibonacci level, so that's why I'm quite convinced that this is the right prediction here. So this is what is so nice about trading, guys, that if you understand how the algos work, you can predict price actions like that. I mean, we have a new all-time high. For what reason should I know that maybe $63 is one of the price goals? Don't get me wrong, I could be also completely wrong. We could see here $100, $200 incoming for Palantir, but I rely on my trading strategy and on my knowledge, and yeah, I have a lot of years trading experience, guys, and that's why I also know how to measure these price levels here. Even we're talking here about new all-time highs. Yeah, the good thing for Palantir is that if you didn't see my previous videos, we just ripped out of this bullish trend channel here. That is it looks like an unstoppable squeeze, but be very careful. We have here still a make it or break it price level in the chart. So you can see that even Palantir already traded here at $45, guys. That was here back in 2021. Then the market turned bearish here. Of course, Palantir already lost the gains before. The market turned bearish in November 2021, so during that time. And then you can see what happened when we turn into a bear market here. We can lose here a lot of money, and of course, a long-term investment, guys, you know, this is your decision if you hold stocks in the long term or not. I just give you here always the price predictions here for the upcoming days and weeks. Yes, and this is my price call still, guys, so I'm waiting here for $63.49. Then I want to see what happened. So when we just switch off the drawings for a second here, we can see that we have a lot of orange fields here in the chart, and these orange fields are gap ups, guys. So we gapped up here many times, and this is usually nothing what I want to see. So when we have that kind of violent price run up here, so we see from the previous all-time high, we're trading now here 38% above that. But when you have a straight line like this, guys, this is never healthy. It was the same here, and you can see what was the consequence out of that. So be very careful here with FOMO. I know it's super bullish and everybody want to buy Palantir right now, but wait for the dip, guys. Wait for the chance, because when you have something like this, you will never see straight lines to the upside without retesting the certain previous price levels. And for now, as I said, I don't want to talk about higher price levels. Yeah, I still keep here $63.49 because I want to see the technical reaction. If we continue to rip, even we break through $63.49, guys, I will do a new video with the new price targets. Then of course much higher price targets are possible, but I want to rely on the actual measurement which I did, because this is what the chart is telling me and what I did. We had this massive shakeout here. That was the base for my calculation, and what we see now here is that we're trading here far away from the EMA lines, and this is not very healthy, guys. I don't say it's not bullish, but it's not healthy. So every time when you rip up here to the upside, Let me zoom in for you that you see what I want to show you. So we had also here this huge gap up here, and the price, you can see, yes, we squeezed a little bit higher, but then the accumulation starts. You always need to retest here the EMA lines. Then after an accumulation phase that was here from March 2024 until June, so that took 3 months here, then finally Palantir could continue to rip, but with a shakeout and a retest again of the previous accumulated price range. And when we have a straight line like this, I mean the market is super bullish, Bitcoin is ripping, Palantir is ripping, Tesla just squeezed. As I said already the price targets for Tesla in my previous videos. I said that we will close the gap at $290, and I said that then as soon as we break a certain price level, $402 is the next price goal for Tesla. You can just watch my videos on that, guys, which I already provide here on my channel. So this is what we want to see. We want to see $63, then a slight pullback, and take the chance, guys. If you're too late here for Palantir, no problem. The market will, you know, come back for a while, and I think it will not happen this year. For now, at least, we have no bearish signals. But when you miss this squeeze, guys, I have a lot of other short squeeze stocks here in my pocket, which I release every week. I call them the hot stocks. If you don't know these kind of videos, when I release this hot stock video on Sunday, that means that I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very, very few next days. There is no guarantee, of course, but I give my best to predict here short squeezes, because this is what I love to trade by myself. And just to show you what happened here, last week we had this hot stock squeeze here, 113% in just 1 day. After my video release, of course, we came back to this liquidity zone and had a 113% squeeze. That looks almost like nothing compared to the biggest squeezes we had in October. My biggest squeeze was 854% here 1 day after my hot stock video release. This ticker started to rip, and in September was even more violent. That's why I say, guys, the market is super bullish right now. This ticker squeezed here in total 1400% in 3 trading days. Yeah, there is no guarantee, of course, but we have a lot of short squeeze potential right now in the market. And if you also want to see these kind of short squeeze plays, you can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. Every day new members joining in, you can see all the member benefits here. You can also pause the video, and if you click here click the info icon here in the corner, you get access to my Patreon member link. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced trader, everybody is welcome to join in, guys. So yeah, game plan for Palantir, guys. Yeah, as I said, I want to see $63.49. That would just confirm me. And to be very honest with you, I don't want to be bearish, but I want to see, when we hit this price level, that we see a strong correction incoming and start to close here one of the first 2 gaps. Maybe here $54 or $51 is where I want to see the price come back, or that we retest even the EMA lines here at $50, $47. This is not because I want to see a bearish sell-off, guys. I want to see a technical reaction, because that is for me the confirmation that this Fibonacci level tracement here is still in play. Honestly, I have no doubt, because I see how the levels get retested here, and we squeezed also back over the previous level. When we switch off the indicators, you can see that very, very clear. I will delete here the line. We already talked about this. So you can see how my levels got retested here. The next level got retested here. And then there is nothing. There is nothing between the all-time high. The previous all-time high was here, guys. Yeah, you can see that almost in perfect alignment with this Fibonacci level. And there is no technical resistance waiting above 44.92, and that's why we can just rip here to the next levels. And what usually happens is a retest of the 4618, which is now here for Palantir at 63.49. That's why I want to see that we hit this level here, and then I want to see a technical reaction to the downside, that all these levels here get tested, and then we also can see how deep we will fall. I think for now, guys, that not maybe 44.92, but I think here 42.41 here, this price range will be our support. Latest here at $35 will be the support for Palantir if the market stays bullish, of course. If we turn here into a bear market, it's a different story. But as I said, this is not to scare you. This is a normal technical retest of the previous support levels here. So, and as long as the EMA line support us here, so the absolute bull case would be, let's talk about the super bull case, that when we see here a technical small correction incoming, then somewhere here between $50 and $47 based on today should be the support, guys. That would mean a temporary price loss here of 19% to 23%, which is huge. But this is not, when this happens, guys, that doesn't mean that the squeeze or the bullish the bull run here is over for Palantir. This is just a normal technical reaction which I expect. So keep that in mind here. Everything here, $50, let's say everything over $47 is still very, very bullish. In my opinion, everything over $40 is still very bullish for Palantir, but these are the next price level which I expect. So normally we should come back here, close the gap at $58, then retest here $54, and then somewhere here between $47 and $54 should be the support if we are still here in a super bullish setup for Palantir, which I honestly expect, guys. The market is super bullish, otherwise we would not see squeezes like that here of 854%. Yeah, guys, that is my update for you on Palantir. I hope that was helpful here. This is the short squeeze setup which we have, and if we break 63.49, I will do a new video for you with the new short squeeze price targets. I hope that was helpful, guys. If you want to copy the price levels here from my chart, this is everything based on TradingView, what you see here. If you also want to learn how the algos work and how to calculate these price levels, then I recommend that chart program for you guys. Yeah, this is what I use since many, many years for all my videos and of course for all my personal trades. I can offer you a discount link. When you click here the info icon in the corner, you get access to my $15 discount link. And I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Yeah, guys, that was my update. If you like this content, if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I would really appreciate that. Being that said, thank you for your time, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank. Alles Gute, viel Erfolg mit Palantir und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.